Alright, we're back. So I'm going to go ahead and put the clutch basket up on there. The splines are tight, and it's not even to the washer yet, so it's not the washer. It's not this washer here being tight, it's just the splines are tight. So I put it in gear so it doesn't rotate too far, but it's not connected to the back too well, so you don't get so much, but try to find out where the splines feel like they're on there. Kind of working on. As far as it wants to go easily. We're nowhere near the washer. Okay. Put that on with. Alright, look out. So just grab a big socket. Tap on that. It's best to push on the center, obviously. There you go.
Is that a big thing, Tatro, that you had to do that to get that back on?
It's good because it's on there good and tight, but it's bad for working on it because it's a pain in the ass to get on and off. But tight splices are always better, that way it's not moving around everywhere.
Okay.
But it is a pain in the ass dealing with it. Now this nut here has got issues with it. See, they've been using the wrong socket. When you use a 1 3/16, it eats up the edges because it only hits on the tops. It doesn't fully seat like the correct one in here does, see?
Can you clean that up?
It's only hitting on the very top, so it's screwing the nut up. This here is where it goes on that washer. It's been jamming in that. And the threads in there don't look too good either because it's jamming on top of this part in the washer. So this nut is well used.
And you clean that up, Tatro? Just a little grinder thing to get some edges off?
I don't know if it's going to make any difference. Tighten it up. You know, using the correct socket helps.
You want to put the chain on it? I
need the impact. Should be able to slip the chain on it. Remember, it's a 30mm socket.
Tatro. So Lorenzo sent me this. He said the dude at Harley gave me this. So I'm going to give this to you.
Hey, dumbass. Backwards thread. You got to loosen the tighten. That's enough.
You sure?
Yep. Didn't fall off yet, did it?
No, sir.
You okay then? It's not wobbling, is it? Appears to be turning true and straight.
Again, just to be sure. You know how you do. There
you go. Looks like it's turning true to me.
Uh-oh, you need air.
So you put oil in it until the clutch here is up in oil. Just lower rotary.
Just the basket? Okay.
You want to be right here in the bottom of the place in oil, you know. 1/8 inch in oil. You're supposed to put. So whatever that is, that's how much you use.
Look in there while I'm doing it,
And
right?
you need to tighten your drain plug up before you forget about it being loose too.
Go ahead and tighten it, Tatro.
No, that's not my department. I don't work on drain plugs.
Well, yeah, no, tighten it so you can know, you know what I'm saying? It is.
You want me to strip out your drain plug?
No, you ain't gonna strip it, but you know how to do it.
I know how to do it. I know how to do squat.
Okay. Don't worry about it, but you know how to do it.
There's a drain plug right there. See, it's not torqued at all because you can put your finger right underneath the thing there.
I didn't screw it in. I just
screw it up in there. What are you waiting for?
I don't have a tool.
It's right there. Use your fingers.
What tool is it?
Use your fingers.
Can't use my fingers.
Why? The plug's already screwed up.
Ain't nothing wrong with the plug.
Why are you loosening it then? You're supposed to be tightening it.
You can't. It's Tatro. You can't, man. It's too tight, bro.
Well, you're unscrewing it. Why don't you tighten it?
Man, it needs a wrench, man.
It needs a wrench?
And it's not cross-threaded.
You sure?
Yeah, I know it is. No.
Why you want me to screw everything up?
I want you to screw nothing up.
That's pretty good. We can actually put that over here. Side view. It's getting tight for some reason.
Because it ain't stripped.
That's enough. You definitely don't want to torque that before. It's fine thread aluminum, which is a bad idea.
Right.
Okay, so we need all that junk. We need a chain.
Okay, hold it. So we need this first.
And your chain looked like crap, remember?
We need this. And we need this, right?
You need to start saving your pennies for a new chain.
How much is a new chain?
Probably over $100 from Harley, I bet.
How much can you get one for?
I don't have it.
Okay, wait a minute. Look, so this
That
goes
is
on
sharp.
right here, right?
You run your fingers in here, it'll cut your finger wide open. It's sharp in there.
Hold up. How will this go, Tatro?
What? I don't know. I didn't take it off. How was it laid there?
This got to go first, though.
I'm looking to figure out how this chain goes back together.
I hope you didn't put it on the wrong way.
It's already damaged. I don't know if it's on the same way it came off.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Sharp down here, but... Came off this way. Yeah, it came off this way.
Okay, now when do this go on, Tatro? What about this?
About what?
When do you put this on? Look. This.
Oh, where'd that come from?
That goes on there too.
I don't know.
Oh, you put that on and then put the sprocket on.
I'll put that on there.
And then put the sprocket on here.
What parts we got?
That?
This big ass thing here goes in here, I'm guessing.
The bolt goes through that way, right there.
This way?
Yeah.
It goes one way or the other. I know
Goes
that.
like that.
Goes like that?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep.
Alright. That's it.
Well, you gotta keep rotating the chain till it's on there right. The chain goes, yeah, there you go. Now the chain is on there.
The chain's all it's full of oil up here for some reason. And they're full of oil, can't be full. Still full of oil. Everything's full of oil. I need a rag that I can clean my hands with. So you got to clean your hands off and your tools. When they're full of oil, you can't do anything. Okay, look out. Go nice and slow, make sure there's nothing bound up. When it quits moving, it must be tight, right? Okay. Does it look like it's in there?
I'll go home and put my chain catcher in.
Yeah, there's that in there. Okay, where's the clutch? So we get it left off at fiber, so we get steel. Okay. Okay, where's your fancy ass thing? Here. There we go. Okay, this is our triplet assist here. Get more holding power. Look at this junk ass.
Hey, you got the bolts, Tatro?
What bolts?
You got some bolts for that?
I got one.
Put all new ones in there.
You got some?
No, you got some up in there.
Here's a.
I don't know, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna pay you for them. I need these. I don't want to put no junk in there, no more.
Those are original equipment there.
No, but what I'm saying is, you showed me how that bolt don't fit on that red flag.
See, I stole these from Dad, fair and square. This is all I got.
It's all right. I'm gonna bring you some money in the morning to buy you some more.
I have to figure out what I need first.
It's all right. Whatever you need, you gonna have the money for it.
I don't know about that. I don't think I have the ones I need here already.
Well, you got them.
I don't know about that. I don't think I have that many in here.
And where's the washers at? These others.
She already got two different lengths. I don't think I have what I need. I just grabbed a few of each one. I didn't grab a lot of them.
Let's just pray that you got enough.
I'm not going to have enough.
You need one more. You got one already in.
Take 6. I got 3.
You need 2 more.
I need 3 more because I only got 3. That's all I got. Takes that length right there. I know it's 6 millimeter. I don't know what the pitch is, and I don't know what the length is. That will have to be determined. So we're going to be reusing a bunch of these.
So we're only gonna use 2 of them because you got 4 already. You got 2, 1 in, 3 in your hand. So
Probably stupid ass import junk. Crappy ass hardware with it.
that's what it is.
Exactly what it is. I think they just screwed up the head of the Allen.
That's what I think they did too.
They have this stupid ass.
They used a torque gun on it.
Well, they're using American Allen instead of metric.
Well, these is metric, okay.
The other one missing another one for some reason.
One of them you pulled out, remember?
The drilled one's there, but we're missing another one.
This one over there by that bag then, probably.
Yeah.
Because you had one, yeah.
I don't know where it is, but this is mine.
I know it.
That's the second one of mine. Mine are silver.
Yeah, you had 4 of them. You had 3 over there and 1 already in. You should only have 2 black bolts in there. You have 4 of yours.
Nope, there's 4 black and 2 of mine.
I thought you found some other ones.
Nope, I have them. And only the ball part fits in the Allen, not the part you torque on. Just gonna put these in evenly around a little bit. Press it kind of equally helps. She didn't want to go in there. So only the ball driver part will go in because they're a little bit worn. This side of the wrench over here is brand new basically because I never use these things. It's too fat to go in the Allen. It fits in my Allen just fine, but not yours. It's a fine thread, like 1/4 inch bolts, so you got to be careful on your torque. Overdo things pretty quickly. So we're going to use a cheater wrench here because I use the ball driver, which I don't really want to do it this way, but I don't have any choice. So just put the cheater wrench in here. See how that rounds it off? Screws up my Allen.
Hope it didn't strip that bolt.
Let's strip the bolt. You can only torque these things so much. Ball drivers are not made to torque with.
They're only made to swivel on and off bolts.
Yep.
That's funny.
This is the torque side, this is the side that spins out at an angle. Okay, they're in there fairly tight. But you need to get more of these Allens here, so I'm going to have to measure these up and see what they are. But they're, what did I say, they were 6mm?
Yep.
That's probably
is that
about,
a 6mm?
That's probably about 10, that might be 20mm long maybe, I'm not sure.
Why didn't you put that one in?
Because that's my sample, it's the only one I got left.
Okay.
I'm going to put it where I won't lose it, back in the bag. There should be a black one floating around somewhere that I don't know what happened to it. Alright, so the clutch is all back in it. So we've got nothing left over except junk bolts.
What was that bolt?
This thing over here, where'd this come from?
Oh, that's the seat bolt.
Or is that the battery bolt?
That's the battery. No, I got the battery bolt in my pocket, but what is that from?
That's the junk starter bolt.
Okay, look, so
This one is all rounded out on the head
can you put
in here.
that thing in the back rim?
For what thing?
You put the chain on it to make my rim stay tight.
You mean fix the rear sprocket and all that
Yeah,
crap?
hey look, Tatro,
What?
put them shocks on there right quick before you bolt it all down. I'll bring you $100 for them tomorrow. Put them progressives on there. Take that trash off of there.
Where are you getting a $100 set of progressives at?
Well, how much is it?
Mine are brand new. I don't know what you're trying to
Okay,
get
well,
rid of.
how much is I got to pay for them?
They're more than $100. I know that.
Okay, well, how much I got to pay for
Well, I
them?
don't know. I could go figure that out.
Okay, well, look here. Put them on there.
Okay, we're all done with the primary for now.
We got to do this.
We just got to hook the battery up.
We got to do.
Well, I got to cut a spacer on the front there a little bit.
Yeah.
And we got to deal with the rear wheel.
Yeah.
And all that before midnight, right? Yeah, sure. All right, we'll be back.
I ain't even ate today. That's crazy.